All right, so more on binary operation. So we have a question on the board that the operation on the set R of real numbers is defined by x asterisk y is equals to 3x plus 2y minus 1 for all x and y in the set of real numbers. So we are asked to determine each of the following. So we start with the first one, solution. We are asked to find 2 asterisk 3. 2 asterisk 3. How do we do that? Look at the definition of x asterisk y. So all you just need to do is wherever you see x, 2 stands in for x and 3 stands in for y. So just put it here. So this is equals to 3 multiplied by your x. Your x here is 2 plus 2 multiplied by your y here is 3 minus 1. So this is equals to 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1. So this is 12 minus 1, which is 11. So the solution to the first one is 11. We'll go to the second one, B. We have 4 asterisk 5. 4 asterisk 5, like I said, wherever you see x, you call it 4. Wherever you see y, you call it 5. We replace it here. So you're going to have 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 5 minus 1. And this is equals to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1. So you have 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 minus 1 is 21. So this is 21. Okay, so we'll do the last one here. We have 1 over 3 asterisk 1 over 2. So this is equals to, like I said, replace your x with 1 over 3 and replace your y with 1 over 2. So you have 3 multiply 1 over 3 plus 2 multiply 1 over 2 minus 1. And 3 cancels 3 here, you're left with 1 plus 2 cancels 2 here, you're left with 1 minus 1. So you have 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the solution to this. So that is the solution to the equation on the board. Thank you.